This is Iain Hamilton, Senior Field Technical Manager with Syngenta. I'm down here near Andover on the chalk soil at our spring malting barley trials and demonstration site. This year the plots were drilled on the 18th of March and the surrounding crop was drilled a day later on the 19th, and both have established reasonably well despite the dry conditions that we've had since there was rainfall shortly after application. And if you look down at the crop, you can see we've got plants here that are under 2.5 leaf stage and growing reasonably well despite the current conditions, but we will need some rainfall obviously before too long. So we're 5 weeks after drilling. We've got the usual array of trials with some extra work down here this year. So we kick off with some work with looking at seed treatments, and then we move along down to our variety screen where we've got the main malting barley varieties, both current and new, as well as in the first instance here, if you take a look, this variety in front of me here, slightly different green shade, that's the heritage variety from Robin Appel's Golden Promise. And we'll look at these with and without fungicide treatment to see how they go in season. The next block down this year is where we've got a growth regulator seed rate interaction trial. We have two varieties here, Laureate and SY Tungsten, drilled at 350 and 450 seeds, and we'll be looking at a range of growth regulator both early and later applied across these. It's fully replicated and these will be taken to yield, and we'll also measure quality. Beyond that we have some development work. Then in the distance marked out at the bottom of the field in the commercial crop of SY Tungsten, we have this year's nitrogen trial. This year we're looking at the different sources of nitrogen and dose response. So we've got ammonium nitrate, CAN and urea applied at different rates, and again we'll see how that affects growth and yield at the end of the day, as well of course as quality parameters, which are very important clearly for the malting barley market. So that's just a quick overview of what we've got here. We'll have more updates in season as things develop, and if we see anything happening that is either surprising or unexpected. But that's all for me for now.